Happy holidays, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, pause this video right now and hit the subscribe button. Like, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, okay? But today I'm going to be recreating a look by Kehlani. She goes by Viva Glam K on Instagram and I think some other platforms too. But yeah, so we're jumping right into this look, and for the primer I'm using the Huda Beauty water jelly primer. And yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera because I'll be having to get them tamed prior to my videos. But yeah, so for priming my eyes, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Cloud, and I'm using a Morphe concealer brush just to buff that out. Okay, you guys, so here comes the fun part. So I'm dipping into my new palette here by ColourPop, and it is the Stone Cold Fox palette. And y'all, I just really love this whole color scheme. It's a whole mood. But so the first color that I took into my crease was named as Fickle Fate, and it's a really nice brown to just put in your crease. I really liked it, and it blended very well. So after Fickle Fate, I used a light gray shade pretty much all over my lid. The light gray shade that I used is called You Rock. Let me just say that this palette was a little bit hard to kind of get my hands onto because it was out of stock for a long time, so I had to put those email notifications on, so as soon as it was back I had to purchase it. Alright, so y'all, now in the outer corner I'm going in with a darker gray, and it is called Rumor Mill, and it is a nice smoky gray. I really like this one. This next part was a little bit tricky for me, so I took a black shade called Rock Bottom to create a slight wing effect, but you know, with eyeshadow. So then after I kind of finished up with the eyeshadow, I actually went back and used a liquid liner by ColourPop also for the wing, because I just wanted to make it a little bit more sharper, if that makes sense at all. So now that my liner is done, now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty's latest foundation stick, and I am in the shade Brown Sugar. And looking back at this video now, this actually is a really good shade slash, you know, color match for me. Y'all don't forget to go back and watch my review on the Huda Beauty foundation stick. It is a review and first impressions on this foundation. After buffing out my foundation, I'm moving on to concealer, and I am going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Sand. Y'all know I love Too Faced. This is my stuff. I really do. I really love it. But basically I found that I like to actually buff my concealer out and then go over it with a beauty blender, and that's been working for me lately, so that's what you're going to see me do in this video today. So now I'm about to just bake a little bit with the Mercier translucent powder, which I'm almost out of, which is crazy because I have so many powders, but I guess I just use this one so often. And I'm just gonna swipe away that powder underneath my eyes. And so I did learn a trick from another makeup YouTuber who sprays her face before adding powder like blushes or bronzers. So this will help from having a super dry makeup. I did add some Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer to bronze my face up a little bit, and I'm just cutting that bronzer right here just to make my cheeks look really sharp. And after swiping that powder away, I'm just giving myself a little rosy effect because it's the holidays and I don't want to look pale. I want some color in my cheeks, and now I'm adding some highlight, which y'all know I really do now. So I'm heading back to my eyes now and just adding a shade from the palette called Dreamful to my inner corner, and this to me really took the look to the next level. It really made things brighter, and now I'm adding black liner to my waterline, which I hate doing waterline, y'all. I hate it so much, but it really does make the look so much smokier. And I also went back and dipped into the black shadow to smoke that liner out even more. So I also added some Lily lashes off camera in the style Boston, and now I'm just lining my lips for a bold red look. And usually I would go really dark, but it's Christmas, what the heck, why not do the most? Okay, you guys, so here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday makeup tutorial. This was so much fun to recreate, and I just want to say happy holidays. I hope you guys enjoy.